Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to lecture 2. The topic is digital circuits and logic gates, and as you can see, these slides are from the book CMOS VLSI Design, a Circuits and System Perspective. So this is one of the books that we will be using in this course. The good thing about this book is that all the materials are available online. You can find the soft copy and the slides and other helpful material on the book website. So this is the outline of the presentation. The first one is the gate abstraction. So I hope that you know what is the meaning of this word abstraction. Abstraction means to hide the details. So this is very important word for electrical and electronic engineers, because all the complex systems that EE engineers build, they are based on this principle. So this is basically, abstraction is basically a tool to handle complexity. And in the last lecture we talked about that VLSI design is complex. It's a very complex problem. So we are now dealing with the first abstraction to deal in this course, that is the gate abstraction. So what we are doing is, there is something complex inside, okay, and we have the input and we have the output, and this box is what is the gate. So the gate abstraction means that you don't need to worry about all the circuit, transistor level circuit inside. So this is the first subtopic. Then we will specifically go to the CMOS. Okay, so we want to build and design gates, but they should be based on CMOS. So CMOS means PMOS and NMOS. You know that P is and P and N stands for the positive and negative dope material that we use. Later in the course we will discuss these PMOS and NMOS in a great detail. The next topic will be about pass transistors, and pass transistors are when you use PMOS or NMOS, when you use them separately. So CMOS, always using them in pair, and this pass transistor is when you use them separately. We call these pass transistors. And then the last topic of this lecture will be about latches and flip-flops. So these two are basically sequential. They are basically sequential elements. Okay, so they are sequential elements, and so we have combinational and sequential. So gates are combinational and the flip-flops are sequential elements.